do it again.
What?
The video.
Your luck's out. Have a look at this. It's an absolute tragedy. The Dragons, bad pass. Keep trying to keep on it. Poor old Being Young just hands the ball to Reynolds and he's off for the prize. Keno replay, when your number's up, your number's up. And the number was up for the Dragons there. What a terrible state of affairs in the last couple of seconds before half-time. A bad pass, the foot goes out, lose the ball, and off they go.
Reynolds' name very much before in our game. This year, Adam over at South, everyone was talking about what they're going to do with him, now they're going to replace him. They were saying the same about this kid. We'll get somebody to replace him, maybe somebody from Manly, but said, look, they're going to be hard pressed to get rid of Josh Reynolds and Adam Reynolds wherever they play.
What's on Christian India's wristband? Vinny, V-I-N-I.
Dini. Oh, it's I don't picture the Fiji Polynesian stuff. I've got no idea. Why did you interrupt me? Well, why did you ask the question? Well, I didn't ask you. Anyway, he missed it. Put that in the bin. Put that in the bin. He missed it. Down towards the halfway, but in fact that's where the sheds are. No longer are they underneath us in the Western. So at half-time it's 22-6 in favour of Canterbury, the Bulldogs. 22-6. Stay with us, Toyota half-time. Sterlo and Andrew will take you through the first half action. Thanks to the